Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today we are doing a reverse cat eye. So if you are not a TikToker, if you haven't seen this trend going on, this guy, I will put pictures on the screen here. This guy, his handle is @painted by Spencer. He came out with this TikTok that I think went pretty viral, and then the other influencer, Michaela, she has recreated it a couple times as well. But I saw this and I was immediately intrigued because I low-key kind of did this look back with my green makeup look. I will if you haven't watched my whole rainbow series, you should definitely check that out, but I will put a picture of the green look I did in that series. And I essentially did this last year, not saying that I started the trend because I didn't, but I really liked how that makeup turned out, and then I saw this popping off on TikTok and I just felt like I wanted to try it again and give credit where it's due, because I am definitely taking inspiration from him to recreate this look. So he's done it in black, Michaela has done it in black and purple, so I figured I would do it in turquoise because why not? So this is my rendition of the reverse cat eye, and it was actually quite simple. Again, I did this with the green look and it was also simple then. So if you are interested in how to get this look, then just keep watching. So now that we have done our face, other than highlight because I'm gonna wait on that, I am going to try and do my eyes, which I'm pretty excited about. That's the main star of this look, obviously, from when I just talked to you 2 seconds ago. So essentially what he does is starts with a eyeliner kohl. So since we're gonna do turquoise, I'm going to use this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 17 Tu-Tu-Turquiose. I'm certain this was I don't know, $2 whole. So we are going to put this on to our lower lash, and then we're going to blend this little puppy out. I believe he also put it in his waterline. Yeah, he does. So I'm just going to do both waterline and lower lash. So this has a teeny bit of shimmer in it, but that's fine. I have to go to work tomorrow and I'm gonna be still have turquoise stuck on my eyeball. So we'll intensify that, but so far, love it. Okay. Oh, so pretty already, I can't. Okay. So now that we have that, my eyes are watering a little bit. Now that we have that, actually, I want to add a little bit up on the top, and just pull, just right here on the very, very, very outer corner, on the top out here, just so little, you see, and then I'll blend that out a little bit more too. So now that we have that done, I'm going to go in with some, turquoise shadow. So you can go in with whatever turquoise shadow you have. The one I like a lot, and I just have this palette, is the Zodiac Love Signs BH Cosmetics palette. There's this turquoise shade in here that's super pigmented and just what I'm looking for. This one right here. This, the matte, essentially Capricorn shade. If you want, I have an entire look that I did with this. I will link it up here. You can check that out. It's from a bit ago, but It's a really nice look. So I'm first going to go in with this brush right here. You can see it is just like a teeny tiny little flat brush. You can go in with whatever kind you have, but that's kind of the shape we're going for. And I'm going to dip into this turquoise shade, and we are just going to kind of pat that right down on top of the liner we have. So this will take a little bit of building. I'm getting it right up on that lash line, or on the waterline. And then we're going to use this brush to really elongate out here a little bit more. See the difference? It's just a little bit more intense over here than over here. You don't need to use a lot of pressure, just stamp it on. Because the kohl liner is like a little sticky, it just really grips the shadow. I thought about doing black for this look, and if you really, really like this, or like if I end up really liking this, maybe I'll do it anyway. Comment down below if you want me to do this in black, or if you have an idea of a different color that I should do for it. Definitely let me know and I will try it again if you like this. That looks so cool. I can't. Okay. So now I'm going to take this little brush. It's just like a little teeny tiny small blending brush. It's from Luxie. It is the Luxie 111 brush, and I'm going to dip into that shade again. And we are going to use this to really smoke this out, because he definitely had a lot of smokiness going on. Now that we have the base of it done, we're just going to take this along the whole lower lash and just smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Blend, blend, blend. You can do this as much or as little as you want. If you like it more smoky, want that super dramatic effect, just keep going. So I want to go in with the love of my life. The Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter. Like, oh my god, I love this highlighter so much. But I think it'll look stunning on the lid. I know that he didn't put anything on the lid, and if you don't want to, you don't have to, but
this is my channel and I want to do it, so.
I'm just going to take this little flat brush and dip in, and I'm just going to pat that right on the very center of our lid. And kind of bring it all the way up. This is like a little glitter moment. It's super subtle, you can barely even tell. But I do want to highlight my cheeks with this, because I love it. And I think it'll be really pretty with this look. So just going in with my Luxie 660 brush. Dipping in. I want a healthy hand of this. Oh. 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 Stunning. If you don't like a glittery highlight, do not get this one. Okay. So now that I have done my eyes, like literally I'm pretty sure that's it. It looks pretty much just like his. You extend it on the inner corner. Extend it out here. Smoke it to oblivion, which I have. So I think I'm going to, maybe I want to do a little bit more. Okay. So I'm going to go back in with this brush, and I'm going to dip a hair into this shade right next to the teal shade that we were just using, the turquoise. And I'm going to like dip into both and tap that off. And I want to get that so close to the waterline. It's insane. Because I want it to be like slightly darker the closer up you are to the lash line, you know? Yeah. And then I want to take that brush again, just into the turquoise, the light turquoise from original, and blend that out. Yes. Yep. Leaving it at that. I'm going to apply the, what are they? These are the Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes. I'm going to apply a pair of these and put on some mascara, set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, and I will be right back. So I love this. So I'm going to do my lips now. I'm going to go in with the Milani Amore Matte Lip in the shade Stunning. It is a beautiful brown. I felt like brown would go well with the blue. Yeah, I don't know. I liked it. I thought it was good. So I'm going to go in with this. And now I want to go in with some gloss. So I'm going to go in, this looks a mess, but it's just because I've been carrying it around. It's the Colourpop Luxe Lip Gloss in the shade Biscotti from my Limoncello collection video. I'll put it up there. So this is the finished look. To say that I love it is an understatement. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look too. I feel like it is really not that hard. Like, this is absolutely attainable, and you could do it in any color. You could do it in brown if you don't want to do black. You could do it in black. You could do purple, red, pink, orange. You could even do yellow. You could do, I mean, I don't know, did I name all the colors? Green? Again, I already did a green one, so if you want to see that video, go ahead and check it out. But, yeah, I mean, literally any color that you could imagine, you could do this with. Gray? Like, I know that black is, like, a thing, right? But, like, I feel like a gray moment would be kind of cool. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody in your life who you think might enjoy this look as well. Somebody who likes a good turquoise moment. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I enjoyed spending this quality time with you. If you haven't already, you should subscribe to this channel. And you should follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you don't already. Thank you so much. Stay safe, make good choices, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!